Hey guys, Alessio, hope you're well and welcome to this video. In this video I want to take a look at two specific markets or two potential stocks that are on the brink of disaster, on the brink of collapse. Now that may sound a little bit overdramatic, but actually I think most of you will agree with me once I show you what these charts are. So first one, this is a chart I want to show you. This is a chart of a market, a stock that I've been warning about. I've been warning about this particular stock for a very long time. About a couple of years ago, I think it was, way over a year ago. In 2017, I think it was, that I warned strongly about Tesla. I said, look, the price of Tesla is way overbought, it's overvalued, and I think its cars are overpriced. Now, don't get me wrong here, I do love Tesla cars. Every time I see a Tesla, I have to say, they look amazing, they look beautiful. And yes, I do believe in green technology. I do believe that the future of cars is going to be electric, and I think that it's a good thing that we have more electric cars. So don't get me wrong here, I'm not dissing Tesla cars, which I think are great. However, I do believe, and I said this 2 years ago, that Tesla cars are overpriced. And we just saw recently what Elon Musk did. As you probably heard, the owner of Tesla, he slashed the price of some of the Tesla models, like Tesla Model 3, S3 I think it was, and the other ones as well. So he slashed the price of Tesla, and a lot of the Tesla owners and buyers essentially were outraged that he did this. But we warned about this. We said a long time ago, Tesla cars are overpriced, so be careful. But anyway, there it is. But taking a look at the chart of Tesla now, I believe that we're coming close to that trend line support at 260, 250 area. Here's the thing, we're coming now to test this trend line once again. It's probably the third or fourth time we're testing this level. In technical analysis, by the way, in textbooks, they say that the more times you test a trend line, the more stronger it becomes. That is absolute nonsense, absolute garbage. No, the more times you test a trend line, the more likely it's going to break it. So I'm expecting that trend line to break at some point, potentially in the next few weeks. I think we could see the trend line break from 250, and if we break it, if we close below that trend line, below 250, 260, we could see a flush down towards 180. 180 to 160 could be the next important support for Tesla. So that's an interesting, and we might see something interesting happening there. We'll see. Let's take a look at one final chart. Snapchat. Now, Snapchat, I've been saying this now. I made a previous video, you may remember, where I said, look, this could potentially be one of those stocks that could eventually collapse and fall back to its December lows. It's had a bit of a pullback, but I said in the previous video that resistance is going to be about near the 12, potentially 12.5 area. We have tested the 12, well, we have tested the 11.8. Now, it's possible that Tesla, I beg your pardon, it's possible that Snapchat may have another test of the highs. It might test 12, 12.5 before potentially dropping. So I see two potential scenarios here for Snapchat. First of all, we need to break that regression channel. We need to break that channel we see there. And we need to break support at 10 and 9.24. If we break and close below the $10 mark, and more importantly, the 9.25, 9.24 level mark, then, and by the way, we need to stay below it, then potentially we could see Snapchat unraveling and essentially rolling over and falling sharply down toward the December lows. But we need to break those levels, that support levels. All right, guys, hope this video helps, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot.